Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to fix black-eyed peas today. You can get the fresh ones or frozen ones or dried black-eyed peas, but here I bought the field peas with snaps. Like these are frozen bag of 28 ounces. It's 1 pound to 12 ounces, I guess. Yeah. So I took for this I need 2 big cloves of garlic, and I finely chopped, and about a half a cup of onions finely chopped. It doesn't matter which onions you take, red, white or yellow. And I take about half a cup of fresh cilantro finely chopped, and about 8 to 10 green chillies. These are Chinese green chillies I had, so I just made each chili into, these are smaller ones, made into 2 pieces. We are not a big spicy eaters, but it's a medium spicy. But if you like, you can use jalapenos. These how much you use is based on your taste. You can use 1 jalapeno or 2 jalapenos. Cut them like so. That is visible actually. These green chilies are mixed up with the snap beans, and it's hard to find out if you chew it, it's going to be really spicy. So maybe that's another good option. You cannot eat too much of all this, like you cannot chew all that, so it's you can remove them while you're eating. So I put it on a high and took 1 tablespoon of oil in there. I took olive oil here. It's up to you what you want to use. You also need 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, So also you need about 3 tablespoons, not teaspoons, of coconut powder. You can take grated coconut or coconut powder, or fresh coconut would be grated, which is really good. Actually, the fresh is preferred actually, but if you don't find it, don't worry, get the dry one. I use the dry one here. So put the mustard seeds and cumin seeds in there, let them splatter, turn slightly brown, not too long, like a minute or 2. Then add the onions, green chilies and garlic in there and fry them. If you know about curry leaves, you can add those too. If you have it, it's fine. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. And fry them until they are lightly brown. And make sure the heat is not too much, otherwise the onions will get burnt. So I'm reducing the heat here, so that way like onions won't get burnt. When it is this is slightly brown, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is optional though. It's healthy, and it gives a nice color to it, but a lot of people don't know using turmeric. Don't use it. Don't worry about it. Don't use it. Just fry them. They kind of little more fry them, I prefer the turmeric also fries a little bit. Then add the peas. This peas, you can use any peas, like canned peas, frozen peas or fresh peas, whichever is available to you. If you are using the canned peas, wash them before. But frozen, you don't have to do anything. I added about half a tablespoon of salt. Salt is also up to your taste. You don't have to have how much I told you. We are not a big salt eaters, but you can add it. This item doesn't taste good if you add it on the table. So you taste it a little bit and add it. Mix well. And this can be cooked with dry peas. I told you, dry peas, you need to soak it overnight and boil them in a pressure cooker and then do this. They are a little mushy if you do the if they are overcooked, but taste wise it tastes good. Doesn't matter if it is fresh or fresh, always better, but it doesn't matter even if you boiled ones or taste good. This is coconut powder. I took 3 tablespoons of coconut powder. I added cilantro also there at the end. Some people like to add cilantro, garnish them out when they take it out of the pan and put it in a bowl, but I prefer cilantro also. Fry a little bit with the peas, so that way it is the peas will get the cilantro smell and flavor, so that kind of gives a good flavor to the taste to the peas item dish. So fry like about 5 to 10 minutes after that, and take it out. That's it. If you want to decorate it like garnish it with more cilantro and chopped tomatoes, onions, it's up to you. Like what I do is chop the tomatoes and onions finely and put it on the top of it, and squeeze a lime on the top of it and eat with that. Eat it like it is crunchy, fresh tomatoes and onions in between, and zesty lime flavor in between. Kind of gives a very good taste. It's up to your taste. Like all these add-ons are up to your taste, how you want to do it. And I just decorated it with those, like garnished them with all those that big pieces, but I usually cut them very small and sprinkle on the top a little bit, about a tablespoon, not a whole lot of it. And yeah, lime tastes better for me. I like lime juice taste with this item. More acidic taste, like than lemon. So I hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, so when I post new videos you can get it. I keep posting a lot of them, like not just cooking, and I'm sewing and some handicrafts and all that. But please like my videos. Thank you very much.